Yo, what's up? This Egg Glow shortly checking there. Heading back to the money. Dang, my throat sounds a little raspy. I just woke up too though, so it's a little groggy right now. Anyway, what I was gonna talk about. Oh yeah, when you're lashing, you know, we make it look easy. You know, we've been doing it for so long. Like when you first start lashing, that shit can be rough. It will be rough, especially like if you never have no kind of physical strength or never done it before. Yeah, it's gonna be rough on you. If you have physical strength and stuff, upper body strength, arms, legs, little arms and legs, you'll be good. But we make it look so easy because you know we've been doing it for so long. You know, other people they be looking at us, or the casuals coming in. They see how we knock it out and, you know, take out little breaks and stuff. They're like, damn, I want to do that too. But then when they get up there, they're like, oh shit, damn, I didn't know it was that serious. But lashing on the boat sometimes, you know, it can be gravy. Everything goes smooth. That's what they don't tell you. Lashing it can go smooth sometimes. Break the turnbuckle come loose quick. Get easy, it's coming loose. Like, oh boy, we got this done. We got a whole bait done in about 10 minutes, boy. You even broke a record. But in some ships, I gotta go and tell you now, I gotta go on here away and warn you, it's certain ships that, man, them turnbuckles, it's rough. It's hard to break loose. Why is it hard to break loose? They can have some old turnbuckles on there. It can be like, it can be real rusty. It can be rust. And you know, you try to break with all your strength, man. You be like, damn, am I turning the right way? Change engine oil or something. Damn, been driving too much. And you be like, damn, am I turning the right way? But you know, it's rough, and like, I guess every time you go on the ship, like them old timers, they'll do it. The young people, I ain't never seen too many, but them old timers, they'll come on there with them WD-40s. A lot of times they will write the name of the ship, so they'll know. All right, you gonna write the name of this MSC, Mertha, whatever. Write the name of that ship down, so they'll know. Whenever I come on this ship, I gotta have my WD-40 ready. And you know, a lot of times that work. And a lot of times you can spray it and everything, and you try to break with your pipe. And one thing you don't want to do, you don't want to stand in one little sail guy trying to break some rods. Always just go to the next sail, and you know, break it in. And then once you break that, you're gonna have to get your rod. You gotta take the rod container and use that rod to break it. And 9 times out of 10, you're gonna break it. I can do it by myself, but hell, I've been on certain boats. How they going so slow? 2 lanes. Don't y'all hate when somebody be driving into 2 lanes, both of them driving slow, you can't even pass them? Damn. But yeah, a lot of times it takes 2 people to break that one turnbuckle loose because it's so rusty. And a lot of times it's either the rust or that salt from the water, the salt from the ocean. You know, because like, I don't know if y'all seen videos. I done seen videos, container ships out at sea, man. Them boats be going up and down on the water, big tidal waves, and water is splashing all up on the boat. So that's where that salt water comes from. And once that salt get on that turnbuckle, yeah, man, shoot, it'd be hard to turn them jokers. Remember one time I was lashing one time, and I had my brake bar, and man, I was trying to break it. I was trying to break it. I'm putting that little bite on there. And I broke the turnbuckle loose, and once I broke, I seen spark came off. I said, what? I ain't never seen that before right there. I didn't see spark when I, take a 3-hot rod out or a 2-hot rod and take it out and throw it on a catwalk or whatever. But breaking the turnbuckle, a spark came. I said, dang, boy, I feel like a superhero. Feel like hooking this thing. But yeah, man, like I said, if the turnbuckle is hard to take it loose, don't stand at that one sail. I got trying to break it. Because, see, sometimes people be on one sail, I got 30 minutes. I had one guy work with me one time. He was on one end, I'm on the other end. I'm like, dude, what you doing? He was like, I'm working too, but I'm watching him too. I'm like, all right, he might be, he had that one bait too long. He had that one sell guy too long. Let me go ahead and keep breaking mine down. I'm like, dude, what the hell you doing, man? You still in that one? Past 30 minutes, man. I can't get this thing to loose, man. See, I'm like, man, see there, you bullshitting. You know better. You know you're supposed to skip that box and go to the next box. That's how you're supposed to do it. But yeah, use your rod. A lot of times, hey, if you can't get it, if that don't work, hey, go get the mate. Let the mate get it. Shit, y'all gonna finna have me struggling this one sell guy. I can't get the rod loose. Shoot, hell no. But yeah, have your WD-40 and get your rod out the next box and use it to break. 9 times 10 that'll do. If you can't break it by yourself with a rod, get somebody to help you. And y'all have 2 people. Wish I had a picture so I could do it on a video, but I'm gonna have to take it home. We gotta get 2 people to break that one rod loose, and you know it'll work. And that's how that goes, man. All right, I'm gonna holler at y'all later. I'm here at the Longshoreman. Go check out my other video, like, share, comment, all that good stuff, man. You know that's what it's about, spreading the knowledge for the new longshoremen coming in, and you know I gotta spread the knowledge because a lot of longshoremen they don't want to spread the information out. Like somebody would have made like videos I've been doing. If somebody would have made this 10, 15 years ago, we'd probably be, who knows what would it be. But this should have been done, so that's why I decided to spread the knowledge. Cause a lot of longshoremen, man, they don't want to tell. Y'all already know, especially the older man. No, I don't want to know. I ain't gonna tell nobody nothing. I'm gonna down my information. Hell no. I want to spread my information, and when I pass on whatever, somebody else see my videos, and, they'll know what to do. They'll know what to expect, and I'm gonna tell it the right way, not the wrong way. And that's what it's all about. You can't hold information and be greedy and selfish and all that stuff, man. Just pass the information on. It's like when you get a family member or a friend to become a longshoreman, you tell them to do the same thing. That's how you keep the industry thriving, keep it going. Anyway, I'm out, man. Peace.